हेलो एवरीवन, द डिजारा बॉटनी में आप लोग का स्वागत है। हम लोग नेक्स्ट टॉपिक देख लिए थे सिम्बियोटिक एल्गी। हमने सिम्बियोटिक एल्गी कंप्लीट हो गया था। अब सेकेंड लेक्चर चलते हैं क्रिप्टोफैटिक एल्गी। एल्गी ग्रोइंग ऑन आइस और स्नो आर कॉल्ड क्रिप्टोफैटिक। दिस एल्गी प्रोवाइड अट्रैक्टिव कलर्स टू स्नो covered mountains. The alpine and Arctic mountains become red due to the growth of Haematococcus nivalis. Green snow in Europe is due to Chlamydomonas yellowstoniensis and species of Mystonium. Sometimes snow becomes black due to Scotelia nivalis and Rhabdonema brevisteris, and brownish purple due to Echinoclonema nerdonicscodi. Lithophytic algae. Algae growing on moist rocks and stones are known as lithophytic. Many blue-green algae like Nostoc regularia and Glaucopsa commonly grow on moist and sandy rocks. Cytonoma is common on moist walls during rainy seasons. Parasitic algae also grow as parasites on many plants and animals. Fluorescence variations. Chlorophysis causes red rust. क्लोरोफाइसी का मेंबर है रेड रस्ट और टी। रेड रस्ट किस में होता है? टी एंड कॉफ़ी प्लांटेशंस। फाइलोस्फोनियन क्लोरोफाइसी इज ए पैरासाइट ऑन द लीव्स ऑफ एर्जियम वल्गेरे. पॉलीसिफिनिया फेस्टिगेटा राडोफाइसी इज ए सेमी पैरासाइट एंड एस्कोफाइलम नोडेम्स. थर्मोफाइट्स. थर्मल एल्गी. मेनी ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी Oscillatoria beribsis, Seniococcus elongatus, Heterochromogonium species, Haplospion, Lignosiums are found in hot water springs 50 to 70 degrees Celsius. They are able to survive such high temperatures due to the absence of well-organized nucleus. Since most hot springs are alkaline, some algologists believe that tolerance to high temperature is also associated विथ दिस फैक्टर्स. तो इसका हम फैक्टर देखते हैं ना थर्मोफाइट्स का. तो दे फंक्शन एज ए range of thallus structures. The vegetative structures of algae show as wide variety, and it ranges in from unicellular to complex multicellular thalli. Their size ranges from 1 micron to several meters on the basis of thallus. Organizations. Algae are divided into the following 5 groups: unicellular forms, colonial forms, filamentous form, Staphylococcus form, parenchymatous forms. Multicellular forms have been divided by repeated divisions of unicellular forms. Colonial form are developed by aggregations. Developed करता है aggregations के साथ. Of the products of cell divisions within a mycelium mass, filamentous forms are formed by repeated transverse division of cells without separations of daughter cell. Repeated nuclear division without cross-wall formations give rise to Staphylococcus form. Parenchymatous thalli are formed by the division of cells of filament into or more planes. Unicellular forms. Simple unicellular forms are found in all groups algae except Chirophyceae and Phaeophyceae. These forms are sometimes referred to as acellular cells. They function as complete living unit without any cellular differentiations. Unicellular forms can be classified into the following 4 subgroups. इसमें क्या कि जो मैं रीडिंग कर रहा हूँ इसको आप वीडियो पॉज करके आप नोट्स कर सकते हैं अपना नोट में. तो ये आपके लिए बहुत बेनिफिट होने वाला है. राइजोफोडिया यूनिसेल्स. ये क्या? राइजोफोडियल यूनिसेल्स. दिस फॉर्म्स लैक्स ए रिजिड सेल वॉल. They possess cytoplasmic projections which help them in amoeboid movement in the absence of rigid cell wall. These forms are periplastic. Example: Rhizocarisis, Caryophyceae, Rhizochlorosis, Janetophyceae, क्राइसोमोएबिया, क्राइसोफाइसी। Flagellated unicells. Flagellated unicells vegetative cells are found in all groups of algae except Cyanophyceae, Phaeophyceae, and Rhydophyceae. They vary in the number and type of flagella. For example, in Chlorophyceae, vegetative cells, zoospores, and gametes have two equal flagella. Their number may sometimes vary in Dinophyceae and Xanthophyceae. There are two unequal flagella in the former. They emerge in different planes, and in the latter in the same plane. In Euglonophyceae, there is only one flagellum inserted at the interior. In flagellated unicells may be periplastic without cell wall euglena or with a distinct cell wall chlamydomonas. In Phactoschlorophyceae, there is a thick calcareous covering capsules around the cell wall. Spiral filamentous unicells. Some unicellular algae from spiral coiled structures. Example: Spinula, Cyanophyceae. Non-motile unicells. These are non-motile cordial algae which do not possess flagella, eye, spot, etc. Meant for locomotion. The simplest non-motiles form are found in Cyanophyceae, where they do not possess well-organized unicells and plastids. Prokaryotic. Example: Crococcus. The non-motile unicells of Chlorophyceae possess nucleus and plastid. Example: Chlorella. The non-motile unicells Basidiophyceae, such as diatoms, are made up of two habals or theca joined by a girdle band. Colonial forms. The colonial habit is achieved by aggregations of the products of cell divisions within a mucilaginous mass. By aggregations of motile cells of juxtapositions of cells subsequent to cell divisions. Therefore, all members of a colony have a similar structure. These associated are usually loose, and as such, a colony might break into smaller pieces in some colonical. ये आप लोग का डायग्राम है एपिकल पाल्मिया, व्लेनोरोफ्लोप्लास्ट न्यूक्लियस है, क्लोरोप्लास्ट सेल वाल, फ्लैजला, एपिकल पैपिलिया, क्रोमोटोफोर और जो बचा पाल्मिलॉइड ये पाल्मिलॉइड मोटाइल और नॉन मोटाइल्स ये नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में डिस्कस करेंगे। तो आज के लिए इतना सही है। अब जो लेक्चर देख रहे हैं आपको पसंद आ रहा है, इस वीडियो को लाइक करिए प्लीज़ और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, इससे बेहतर होगा। प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और नेक्स्ट टॉपिक एल्गी का अगले लेक्चर में लाएंगे। और आप लोग इसको चाहेंगे तो नोट्स भी बना सकते हैं। एमएससी वाले केयरफुली ध्यान दें कि ये बहुत मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है। आप चाहेंगे तो नोट्स बना सकते हैं। तो थैंक यू। द डिज़ायर ऑफ बॉटनी में